Congratulations on your new NEO 3M Smart Trainer. This video will show you how to change the end cap supports and end caps that come with your trainer. The installation kit contains a quick release axle, end caps, compatible end cap supports, washers, and the blue Allen tool. The NEO 3M trainer comes pre-installed with the end caps designed to fit either standard 135mm quick release bikes or 12x142 through axles. For the quick release, place the stainless steel smaller end caps in the drive side and non-drive side of the trainer. For the 12x142mm through axles, use the larger stainless steel end caps. To install the 148x12 or the 130mm quick release axle, use the blue Allen tool to remove the end cap supports. Now examine the through axle of your bike to determine the proper size support. The size is often stated on the inside of the axle. See your bike's detailed specifications or check with your manufacturer if needed. Place the through axle and end cap inserts into the end caps on the trainer. Tighten with the blue Allen tool. See our other support videos for help installing your bike on your NEO 3M trainer. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.